Alright, we got a flag. She's spinning. Let's see what happens. Not very big. Don't feel huge. Oh, she's fighting. He's fighting. He's fighting. Let's see what happens here. Not a monster, but another decent fish. Very cool. Very cool. All right, buddy. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Alright, we got another flag. We're going to go take a leak. Walking back. I see the flag. So let's see what we got. Oh, it ain't spinning. I don't know. Got him. No. Oh, he got off. I don't know. He was just sitting there holding it, which has me thinking that might have been a walleye. That very well might have been a walleye, because he did not run with it. And all the pike to this point have been taken off with it. So, oh man. What a bummer. Oh well. It's the name of the game sometimes, right? That's funny. We already got a flag. I'm hoping maybe it's a false. I don't know. But I just checked it. Now the flag's up. It ain't spinning, so it could be a false. Well, it's spinning. Again. Damn it. Got off again. I don't know, I got a pretty big shiner on that one. So I don't know if it's something small, it's not eating. I don't know what's going on with that. But see what happens. We got some time. Alright, we just got our 5th flag. I just lowered this one. I just gave him a little bit more slack to get down. Oh, it's running. This one's running. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going on. Got him. Got him. Don't feel very big. They tried to spool me. Oh, there she goes. Go ahead. Go ahead and run a little bit. Okay, there we go. Oh, just a little guy. We are 3 for 5. Up he goes. Outstanding. Alright, we just got our 6th flag. Coming out to see what we got here. Well, it ain't spinning. But let's see what's going on here. No. Ganked me. Alright, so this is our 7th flag now. She ain't spinning, so it's very possible just the bait flipped it. Kind of monitor for a minute and see what happens. She's spinning. She's running. Doesn't feel very big. See what happens here. I'm gonna have to wear this one out a little bit. This one's got some energy. Away you go. Got another flag. I kind of lost count. I think this is number 8. Might be 9. I don't know. But let's see what we got going on here. She's not spinning. Well, either was the last one. So let's see what happens here. No, it was dropped. Alright, so we're wrapping it up here. I don't know if I had 8 or 9 flags on the day. I am not sure. But time to go home. It's 3 o'clock. Gotta feed the kid dinner. And for a guy that doesn't fish for northerns, I'd say it's a successful day. Alright, thanks guys.